Today we would like to tell you about one of the biggest issues of 21st century, the recycling. First of all, let's clarify what it is.
Recycling is the process of taking used material and processing it to create something else or restore an object to restore it as a new state. This is the third phase of what became known as the 3R concept: reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Many types of materials can be recycled. For example, glass, paper, electronics, textiles. But many highly developed countries have a very poor reputation for recycling.
Today, garbage is different from garbage 50 years ago. Today's garbage contains small materials that don't break when put in the ground. Or if they break down, it will probably take a very long time.
Packaging material accounts for about 25% of all municipal waste, and most of this can be recycled. The used aluminum cans melted can make new cans that can be on the supermarket shelf for 60 days.
On average, every year up to 2 pine trees are used on paper, and it is estimated that it's necessary to cut 500,000 trees for paper production for Sunday's newspaper every week. If all newspapers were recycled, it would save 250 million trees a year.
Glass is a classic material suitable for reuse. It practically doesn't lend itself for destruction, and it takes about 4,000 years to decompose if it is buried. We decided to make an investigation and have a feedback from our youth on this topic. Are you concerned about recycling problem? What is the most dangerous effect can it cause?
Well, of course I am concerned. You know, if we don't pay attention to the waste we make and the amount of resources we use daily, we might end up in a big trash can.
Recently I realized that one of the things we do with our ordinary garbage, bury it or burn it. And while we burn our garbage, different gases and dust release in atmosphere, and lakes, rivers, oceans, and cities half a world away from the place where they originated. So these are quite scary facts, and we should probably do something.
How can you describe recycling in 3 words?
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Save your planet.
What things do you do in your everyday life to make our world better?
As I care a lot about our environment, I try to control the amount of water I use daily, to switch off the light when I leave the room, and to throw litter in appropriate places.
So I guess I try to follow some agitating companies against pollution, which encourage some kind of recycling.
Save.
Your planet.
Make.
Your
Choice.